Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a poll on Instagram. And in this episode, I'm going to explain to you how we can create a poll on our Instagram post. So first of all, we can click on this plus button to create a post on Instagram. And I'm just going to upload these photos. Okay, then we can click on next. And here we can add music and also filter, but I'm just going to skip the step, so I'm going to click on next again and just wait for a moment. Okay, and here we can add a poll to our Instagram post. Click on this option and click on poll. Okay, and you can ask a question right here, and I'm going to ask this question: your favorite season? And for the options, you can write or type the option right here. I'm going to write spring and this one. Okay, then after we're done, we can click on the check mark and we can click on share to share this poll to our Instagram post. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the post has been finished, and I'm going to check it on my profile. Okay, and this is the Instagram post that I have just created. And if we want to vote, we can click on vote right here. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can create a poll on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.